Every mission begins with a decision. And the best decisions start with better intelligence. As battlefields grow more complex, commanders rely on the intel cell to respond to emerging threats with unprecedented speed and accuracy. For the intel cell, staying ahead means understanding not just where the enemy is, but what they're planning next. However, often traditional intelligence methods can't keep pace. Information gaps lead to delays, missed opportunities, and increased risk. To maintain the advantage, the intel cell needs eyes-forward, real-time clarity and secure, dependable ISR data. Imagine a contested sector where enemy activity is escalating. At the request of the intel cell, an RQ-35 Heidrun is launched by a nearby unit to monitor terrain, movement, and threat indicators in support of another team operating ahead. Within minutes, secure, high-resolution video streams back in real time, delivering clear, actionable intelligence. Commanders are updated, plans are refined, and the unit can adjust its position or continue the mission with confidence and reduced risk. The RQ-35 Heidrun puts the power of ISR directly into the hands of the intel cell. It sees more, thanks to high-res sensors and persistent surveillance. It protects more by keeping troops out of harm's way and securing every data stream. It knows more, turning raw imagery into clear patterns and actionable insight. And it shares more, fueling smarter briefings and faster decisions right up the chain of command. All in a lightweight, autonomous system, trusted in combat and proven on the front lines of current battlefields, including Ukraine. When decisions must be fast and intelligence trusted, the RQ-35 Heidrun delivers. From insights to impact, it's decision support at mission speed.